This tutorial explains how to find trade magazine publications using a library database. These publications are also known as professional magazines, industry journals, and trade journals. They all refer to the same thing, a publication written for professionals working in particular industries. Why would we use trade publications for scholarly research? The articles from these magazines can include news, expert commentary, and statistics not available anyplace else. For example, a student team in ENT 300 class was developing a plan for a fitness club with babysitting service. They realized it was very expensive to include the child care option. Using the library's Business Source Complete database, the students found an article in the trade magazine Fitness Business Pro called Cost of Care. The article indicated that there was a clear trend of clubs dropping child care due to financial and liability issues. The article also provided a cost analysis. So how do we find these trade publications? Most industry magazines have some free content online, but the library's databases, like Business Source Complete, provide articles from thousands of these magazines with one search. To search in Business Source Complete, let's start from the library's homepage, library.uncg.edu. In the middle of the page, inside the box that says Research, click on the Databases link. Our databases are organized alphabetically, so we'll click on the B for Business Source Complete. In the B list, we can scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Business Source Complete. Now that we're in the database, take a look at the advanced search options below. In the lower right side, where it says Publication Type, you'll see a list of publication formats by which to limit your search. Since we are only looking for trade publications, I'll just check the box next to Trade Publication in that list. Now I'm ready to plug in my search terms. Say I'm looking for trade publication articles focusing on trends in the consumer behavior of pet owners. Notice the asterisks at the end of owner, trend, and market. This just tells the database I would also like to search for variations of those terms. For instance, owner and owners, market and markets, or marketing. That way I will have a more comprehensive set of results. My search pulled 109 trade publication articles, and they look pretty relevant to my topic. If I did not check the trade publication box from the advanced search options, I can still limit to trade publications by clicking the Source Types filter on the left of my results list and selecting Trade Publications. This feature will automatically limit my results to the correct source type. I can also use the Publication filter on the left to see which trade magazines have the most articles on my subject, thereby identifying the most important trade magazines for my area of interest. Remember, if you have any questions about your research, always ask us.